Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to dive into the wonderful world of WordPress and explore its incredible uses. Whether you are a business owner, blogger, content creator, or someone looking to create a website, then WordPress has got you covered. Let's dive in to discuss the uses of WordPress. WordPress is one of the most powerful content management systems in the world that helps you create and manage websites with ease. It offers a wide range of features and functionalities which make it suitable for various uses. My name is Razak from fastnowa.com. Then let's start diving into the uses of WordPress. One of the primary uses of WordPress is it serves as a blogging platform. Historically, WordPress started as a blogging tool offering friendly user interface, customizable themes, and extensive plugins for bloggers in order to help them effectively manage their content and engage with their audience effectively. That is to say that if you are a hobbyist blogger or a professional content creator, then WordPress offers you the tools and flexibility to showcase your work, your brand, your experience with your audience. WordPress is not just for blogging, it is also an extensive platform for creating business websites. With its collection of extensive plugins and themes, you can create a stunning and functional website for your company or brand. WordPress offers a range of customizable themes which can allow you to create business websites to showcase your product or services, allowing you to integrate payment gateway, engage with your customers via live chat or contact form. Artists, photographers, designers, and other creative professionals often rely on WordPress to showcase their portfolios. With the selection of wide range of customizable themes and appealing layouts, WordPress helps you create a stunning website for your creative industries. You can create galleries, slideshows, and portfolios to showcase your projects and share your creative processes in order to attract potential clients and collaborators. Another fantastic use of WordPress is for creating e-commerce websites. With the help of plugins like WooCommerce, WordPress has become a powerful platform to create an online selling website. WooCommerce helps you set up product catalog, manage inventory, process payment, and handling shipping seamlessly. Whether you are a small or a large enterprise, WordPress offers you a scalable and customizable e-commerce solution which empowers you to create a professional brand in order to reach a global customer base. WordPress also allows the creation of subscription websites where you can offer an exclusive content, courses, or services to your subscribers. With the help of membership plugin, you can control the access level of your website visitors, manage their subscription, and build a thriving online community. From educational platform to professional network, WordPress offers you the tools to monetize your content, to monetize your expertise, and build a loyal community around your content. And that is a wrap up for today's video. We have only scratched the surface of the vast potential of WordPress. Whether you are a blogger, business owner, creative professionals, or someone with a huge vision, WordPress offers the versatility and power to bring your ideas to life. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel.